This is the reason why most students perform poorly in chemistry. You know, this type of memorization where you put things inside your brain without really understanding the concept. For instance, who's the first man to travel into space? Yuri Gagarin. Which country hosted the 2022 World Cup? Qatar. Those type of things, you stuff it into your head without even understanding it. It might work in current affairs, history, and the rest of them, but it doesn't really work in say subject like chemistry. This type of student can cram like 100 formulas and feel, hey, I've arrived, I know chemistry. What's the formula for sodium chloride? The student will write NaCl. Wow, I know chemistry. What's the formula for calcium carbonate? CaCO3. He'll write it. What's the formula for ammonia? NH3. The problem with this is that you memorize it without even understanding how these formulas came about. How the sodium combine with chlorine, how the nitrogen combine with hydrogen. This thing might look good, but it's deceptive. What if you ask a formula like sodium aluminate, which is not a popular compound? Sodium aluminate. What are you going to do now? You start scratching your head. Oh, this subject is difficult. I even thought I know the formula for compounds. Well, the problem now is that the student didn't understand something we call valency. Valency. This is an important concept. Now, the student understands valency can write the formula of all compounds, even including the sodium aluminate. The student understands valency understands that. So the for instance, be aluminate means aluminum and oxygen. First of all, that we understand. Then with sodium. Then at the next step, the student will say, now, what's the valency of sodium? Valency of sodium is 1, so you need to give out 1. So this time, we will write sodium as an ion. That's Na plus. Valency of aluminum is 3. It needs to give out 3. So aluminum now become Al3 plus. What is the valency of oxygen? Valency of oxygen is 2. But now oxygen has to receive because it's a non-metal. It has to receive electrons from these two. So oxygen is what? O2 minus. This is what a student, but the person that crammed can't do this. From this now, these students can easily write the formula for sodium aluminate. You know that plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4. So if this Na and Al combine, they're going to form 4 plus. So what does it tell the student now? It tells them that you need to cancel the charges on them. So this oxygen is what? 2 minus. That means you need 2 oxygen atoms to bond this thing to make it 4 minus. You get? Because you need 2 of 2 minus. So this 2 is going to cancel out so that these 3 elements can bond. So that means the formula for sodium aluminate is NaAlO2. Now, the student was able to do this because the student really understood the concept of what? Valency. So when you read without understanding concept, you find it difficult and you feel like it's hard and you might perform poorly. So the best way is to just try to understand concept. How did this thing come about? How was this sodium aluminate formed? From there, it becomes interesting and you are good at the subject.